Okay, I was kind of looking over this area, trying to understand how these coyotes are moving. And one of the things that I've noticed is everywhere there was a bare patch of dirt, I've got coyote tracks. When I first was looking at that, that's a sage bush. They don't produce any berries. But right now the coyotes are eating on persimmon berries. They're ripe and all over the place. I say all over the place. I was going to show you a persimmon bush. That might be one right there. Okay, well here's a persimmon bush. These are all green, but when they get ripe, they turn black, and it's high on their diet. Anyway, just thought I'd share that.